everything that he has done. And also, like every Sunday, we go to their house, and always at dinner there, and he always has something to cook, and he's always there for us to receive us. And to Ate Judith as well, they're really like a big part of our family. With my two kids, we really appreciate them for being with us during these times. And I really, to Kuya Joel, happy birthday and cheers.
Thank you, Edgar. So after cheers, should we come with a kiss, right? Cheers with a kiss. Wait, that's it? That's it? That's it after that long years? I think longer. I didn't notice it. Did you see it? Again? Longer, more! I said a kiss, not a smack. Oh, thank you.